Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
I'd like to check in, please.
Hi, I'm checking in for my flight to Miami.
May I see your passport and ticket, please? Could I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you are.
I have 2 suitcases to check in.
Could you place your bags on the scale, please?
That's everything I'm checking in.
Do you have any carry-on bags? Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Here's your boarding pass. You're all set.
Actually, can I upgrade to business class?
You can check your bags right here.
Great. What's my baggage allowance for this flight?
You're all checked in now.
Is my flight on time? Here's my suitcase.
Did you pack this bag yourself?
Yes, I packed it myself.
Are you carrying any liquids, sharp objects, or prohibited items?
I'd like to check in for my flight.
Do you have any checked baggage today?